Hey boys and girls, it's time for our phonics and our word study lesson. This morning we went over some of your letter cards and the sounds that they make, and I want to start our phonics lesson each day going over those cards. So we're going to say it, and I want you to try to say it together with me. So we have our first one, A, and our chant goes, Pan the lamb, ah, ah, ah. B, bouncing ball, b, b, b. C, clicking camera, k, k, k. D, dancing dino, d, d, d. E, pecking hen, eh, eh, eh. Like that is pecking, eh, eh, eh. Spinning fan, This is the letter F. I'm sorry. Letter F. Spinning fan. That's when you see your little teeth. And our G. Gulping gopher, G, g, g. Gulping gopher, g, g, g. So boys and girls, every day we will practice, and I want you to practice naming them. Let's say it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And that takes us to our new letter today, boys and girls. Our new letter today is H, and this is a hound. And so our little ditty for today is hurrying hound, hurrying hound. The letter H makes this sound, boys and girls. So we say, hurrying hound, hurrying hound. Now we're going to practice writing the letter H. So I have your practice sheet here. And I'm going to show you up here, and then afterwards you can get your practice sheet with the capital H and the lowercase h, and it says hippopotamus, and you can practice drawing or writing your capital H and your lowercase h. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to the top and you're going to come straight down and make like a 1. And then, let me get up here where I can reach it better. And then you're going to come right here and you're going to make another line. And then, boys and girls, you're going to come together and you have a capital H. Let me use another marker. My black is not working very nicely. So let's do it again. Down, straight down, and across. One more time. Down, and across. That is your capital H. Now, for the lowercase h, you put your finger in the air and you can even trace here. You go down and back around. Down and a hump. It looks kind of like a chair, but it's curvy there. So watch, Miss Buck. I go down and over. Down and over. Down. Now you can go back up and over, or you can come right here and come down. Down and over. Down and over. Practice, boys and girls, makes you so much better at it. And holding your pencil, you want you want your pencil just to stay right there. let it rest right there. And then you want your pointer and your thumb, and you want to hold it. You don't want it too close to the bottom, and you don't want to hold it way up here, because you have to practice having control. Controlling that pencil. Okay, so we can start down, up, around. Down, up, around. Or down, you can pick your pencil up and go around. Down, pick your pencil up, come back around. So boys and girls, this is the letter H. H says, hurrying hound, hurrying hound. And now it's your turn to practice the letter H. And if you would like to, you can take a picture of this and you can show me what you can do. Don't forget to put your name. Always practice writing your name at the top. Have fun with the letter H.